Enobua. If so, Busa, if we are to say, I am Bia, I'm a folk woman. I'm sure most one. Nasian is so Busa Babano, as every more. Busanam,
or Bisamo.
Toga, Sioro Kuma Boba. Yanya, don't want to talk. If I do, it is going to be very, very blunt.
Oh, me, I mean,
Akokuma. Where has your son Wusu gone to? Where has he gone to? The Wusu crowd already are there.
Ganyo, I don't want you to ask me such a useless question.
Who is useless? Makenya useless affair. Look, I will deal with you. I will deal with you to be blunt you. Look, you know why I have been walking barefooted? Look, I can deal with you.
Ganyo, wait
to
to
be blunt. I'll be talking for the leave my house. My neighbor house, I will deal with you.
Leave my house.
I'm not leaving. Leave my house. Leave my house. Me down.
Leave my house.
If I get about, leave my house. If I get up, I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you.
What's that?
Look, let me go and get my son and come back. I'll deal with you. Oh, I'm a fool with the other.
I'm a fool. You're someone now. You're pet. My Jim Papa. Who's them Pasadeno? Some good because I'm Pasadeno.
I'm not for no man. You're back to
I'll put on Milkoma. Woman to me, who? Miko to get Jamamanko. I want to me. A Jimmy Foster for me, my baby.
We are running away from this village.
Where are we going?
We are going to my cousin in Kumasi. Let's go.
Uzu, if it is for this reason that you ran away, I can't accommodate you here.
Bafu, you must understand.
Hey, Uzu, I'm going to grant you. We must treat the family with honor and respect. And if you want to plow the family's rules and traditions, I, Bafu, have no ambition to be part of it.
Please, Bafu. Please, try to understand me.
Understand what? Please, I want to sleep. And I can't leave my gate open. Please, I will beg you to leave. I said leave! Leave! Yeah, Bafu, I'm a family radio. Over Pebble Biada, Uvisa, you are money to do.
Hang far. I know, Vafi. The next time I see you at that Wusu boy, Torogoma kill you. I'll just kill you. So I know. Don't be stubborn là, Vafi. I know. If I come in there and meet you there, it will not be good for you, Kron. I know mother to go Vafi là. Okay.
Okay. Magrona bena on agbojidina devia. Devia vovombe avagbo unke nyajo.
Enya be fi omega ton se won. She is becoming very stubborn.
Nyento mareve unke.
Na funu ne.
Ah,
talk to her.
Enyo namu. Madaku na dogo na va fofo mo poga osa enyo. Vinya. Enyo namu. Nyento mareve.
Aja chulu mwamena.
Enyo vinyanyo namla adora enyo amono balo
muketo
amono ba afo enyo mele homo enyo maba vara enyo mele homo
enyo mele homo. I will kill somebody today, Mama Ugapa. Hey, Mama, Jimmy, top Anna, Mama Ugapa. Enyo bu, enyo bula. Enyo. Mala hono. Missing Namla. I know Ponke. Mama Ugapa. True. Enyo. Call your jump now.
Madame, on boumi, comme mi va dire.
Call your jump à Venara. Vous vous souvenez, on revient, ma vie. Monseigneur, comment? Hey, get me my jumper.
Mapoya, he will meet me there.
What are you people doing here? Hurry up and leave this camp. Hey! Hurry up!
MFA. Oh, what's the problem?
Hurry up and leave this place now.
Meet the cuckoo now. Miafumo Gigi. Me Jojo say meet the cuckoo now.
Ebegbetanenya.
Malakure.
Unko ready?
Malakunya kwenya nyuna.
Yeah, be gone.
My name is Boahin, and this is my wife. She's called Emifa. You know, we also had a similar problem. My parents just wouldn't agree just because she happened to be an Ewe. Don't worry. I will do everything I can to make life comfortable for you.
Thank you, Mr. Boy.
You're welcome.
Mr. Boy, may God bless you.
I'm very sorry for my behavior. And if you think this is the man you love, then you have to stand firm. Don't let anybody discourage you, okay? Huh? I don't know the meaning of all this tribalism. But we have no choice. We need to cope with it. And I promise to do anything to make you happy. Everything. Okay? I promise you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Emifa.
Also, I think we the Ashantis have some wrong impressions about Ewes. Say, mare angolenia, and kamenim some we so good. And you're good unquao. I mean, baby, a boss. Well, my dear, so why don't you take them to the boys' quarters so that at least they can change into something better?
Selassie.
Papa.
Si no road agbawa. Majiboy manya, ni tututa, anyu malabayamu. Should explain where Anyu is now.
Dada. Afu abanka. Abanka. Leka mawe anya. Maya untonto ede homoa. Maya untonto ede homoa. Leka mawe anya. Ehefo.
this a new girl. Tu vas tous au black sheep là, ni go to domala. On est au vignon. Where is that wusu boy toi?
Papa, I learned he too has run away. His father sacked him.
Run away?
Eh.
Sure. Kokuma has to produce my daughter right now. That wusu boy has to bring my daughter presently. I am going right to Kokuma's house. Me have my fifi like.
F4 Bobanai.
Mungejo.
F4. My here bena yi Kokuma. What papa ma fifi like?
Jurori. Jurori.
Banka.
Do you know better than me? Bomi. Menen mani mi gra ko me fia. Man yo gan okron. Ma tembio. Fafe.
Hey, Kokuma. Na do ni adi sa.
No one Jim. I have nothing to worry about. Oh.
What was your source of worry?
Efo, of course. We've also now out of this village. Oh, I have no opportunity to encounter Efo and any person from his tribe again.
Don't say that. Usu is your first son.
Enobua, you win it? Huh? You gonna? Baba Kwakase, San Sabako Hawa, Tachini. I am better off without him as a son. She. Now I can sleep in peace. What will you do?
He said he was going to inspect the trap.
Okay. Anyway, prepare my favorite dish for me today. Eh?
We need a baby. Yeah, me very good too.
Someone can say no. Me can't you say I'm going to Madam Kumadi. Enobua. Me say me can't you say I'm going to Madam Kumadi. Medi kuma pimpi mama ngofo edi bi die. Enobua, enkuman pon fa ne ho. Tibiam. Medi kuma pimpi mama ngofo edi bi die. Enkuman pon fa ne ho.
Tell everybody.
Kaka, the most important thing ever, we have to go to Kokuma's house and tell him our peace of mind with immediate alacrity.
That's true. Toga. I didn't want to go to Kokuma's house because when I talk, it's going to be very, very bloody. That is why I sent for you. All I want him to do is to produce my daughter. You understand?
Yes. In fact, what he and his family have seen in this family that they don't want to leave us alone, I don't understand. The whole thing is very nonsense for me. And if it is true, that that Wusu boy took our daughter away, it will be bloody.
Yeah,
it will be bloody.
Uncle, I want Oda to stay behind.
Stay behind.
Because normally I don't have any patience.
Sure.
Because what I'm going to do there is going to be very, very bloody because it's a man's job. That's Alasi.
Can I do it?
Stay with your mother.
Can I do it? I walk in the miajo. I'm going to deal with him. Discipline man over.
Enobua. You be say obusa efo ya oti wo ise. Anyam bia amafo okuma nyina no. Me hwe omo so na. Na sie ni se so obusa ne baba no asefri mo. Busa ne mam.
Obisa mo.
Toga. Si oro kuma gboba. Nyanya, I don't want to talk. If I do, it is going to be very, very bloody.
Oh, me amini ho.
Akokuma. Where has your son Wusu gone to? Where has he gone to?
The Wusu crowd they already are there.
Gonna take me keep pinch no. Ganyo. I don't want you to ask me such a useless question.
Who is useless? Makenya useless affair. Look, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. To be blood, you. Look, you know why I have been walking barefooted? Look, I can deal with you. Wait to be blood. Joe, Jimmy. I will talk about the running out of Jimmy. I never came on. Leave my house. My little house, Alaka. I never came on. I will deal with you. Leave my house. I'm not leaving. Joe, leave my house. Joe, leave my house. Push me down. Oh, leave my house. Leave my get out. Leave my house. If I get up, I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. What's that? Look, let me go and get my son and come back. I'll deal with you. See? Oh, I'm a fool with the other lady. I'm a fool. You're someone now. You're pet. My chim, papa. Who's your passadino? Some good because I'm a passadino. I'm not for now. I know. You're not twice. I'll put up. Milkoma. Woman, who? Mikotoka Jamamanko. I want to be a Jimmy Foster for me. My baby.
It will come, my uncle.
Kuma, if you accept that you have relatives in the city, then why don't you simply do what Efo is requesting you to do?
You are very, very sensible, I tell you.
Odukru, you mean I should accompany this Amnani to Kumasi and look for his daughter? Yes, sir.
Simple. Yes. Very simple.
Odukru. What judge are watching him? He doesn't watch him more. He said, what do you mean? Can't you say? Me, I saw I'm going away. And go Kumasi question about. Send say what? Obusano. Say Anyambi and Papa Niko Kumasano. Oba Kamiana.
Kokuma, don't be too difficult. This is a very simple issue, so we don't need to drag it. If you insist on not going to the city with Efo, that will be wrong.
I want to be wrong.
Odukru. Inti asama woni edi enti eye. Se Efo ne baswa tu kwanyu swaleo. Ye ne ne nkwane kopel man.
I can see you have taken some money from Efo.
Yapa. Sure. Kokuma, how can you accuse me of taking bread from Efo?
Odukru. Se Efo shem fumwa. I can't say, Mimi no, and Kumasi. Question Baba, send a sound. I miss someone new way, a boom, Kumasia. Come if I didn't know, but you want me to say, ha. Sure. Minister Sakos, I said, what's your friend Bahau? Second minute, Mama. Send something, nearly a four. Apu. Go not here. And no boy, what must I call? Jum. What do you call? Nina Kumasi this you. Nina Kumasi this. Catch a phone, say. Uncle Kumasi, or do Kumasi Kijetia. On for the room say, Con. The Baba or Sheno. I'm going to see you, yes, and the Baba. Oh, cheer.
Oh, Kokuma. How can you talk like that to a Dikro?
A Kwashiasam.
Oh, how too poor no.
Discipline of our family.
Discipline of our family.
Look, the man can't clear the forest on his face and he said he goes go to clear me in the bush.
So
listen to him. Listen.
Dikro.
Kokuma. Se wanantu eye kese sen wosra. Na yare wom. Se onima.
Oda. I am traveling like I said to see my sick uncle. Imagine a crop.
Papa, I'm watching a canoe. Gaka, anyame blow. Naronkuji.
Oh, Oda, Mazori, your son cannot wait to see the woman he's going to marry.
Lebene, Nyonuvima, for me, you are the Melcho. Etama host a benefit for Bona.
Oh, okay. Madam, what about whatever is possible now? Madam, what about
Maga, don't worry, sir. Leave everything to me. Okay. Hold on, let me show you. Are you? Let me annoy you.
I'll not cry you. Yo, Messi.
Next, I'm going to call out my bonnet. I go touch it.
Will you marry me?
I have no problem, but...
But what?
Your father, he's a litigant, you know.
Look, my father has no problem with you. His only problem was with the Ewes. With Ozu no more with us. That is a thing of the past.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your father, dear, I don't trust him. I even learned he has a problem with Dodikro.
All these have got nothing to do with you. My father's only problem is that he does not kowtow to nonsense. And because of this, everybody calls him a bad man.
Okay, if you say so. Debbie.